Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Where you get one of them low cost, get it fast and free shipping. And let's see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody's staying safe. And we got another unboxing to do. Alrighty. Oh boy, what is this? Alright, vinyl 55. Premium black vinyl gloves. Good time to get these in. And like I said, you guys can get it fast and free shipping. Latex free, powder free, beaded, cooking, beauty, cleaning. So definitely you might want to stock up a couple of these large gloves. Pop it from the top. Oops. That is too much popping. I'm going to try these on. Okay. One glove. Two glove. Whoa. These feel pretty good. Alright. Yeah, these fit like a glove. Yeah, these are nice. Take them to the store with you. Do your hair. That's that cleaning. Oh, a little bit, not as strong because I kind of did tear it just by popping it. So just be careful. But other than that, these should do the job good. Probably use these. Let's see if I could. Yeah, I could touch the phone too. Alright, sweet. I'll be using these. These gloves. I got a flat. Oh, crunched looking. But check these guys out. Vinyl 55. These gloves do the job. So check them out. Links down below. You guys be safe. Have a good night. And hopefully see you guys soon. This is a short video today. So check them out. And see what other sizes they have and colors, but these are the black ones, the more popular color to get. So I didn't do it. Alright, YouTubers, be safe, have a good night, see ya.